There we go. Now we're learning it. So that goes forward. That turns it. This turns it. Yeah, so all you have to... Hello everyone. Welcome back to another review test video. Today we are reviewing DEERC. This is their HC85 mini RC boat. Now, this is rated for ages 6 and older. You can use this indoor or outdoor. It's got a remote control. Push the ball to play, so you try and score. Really, really neat. It comes with USB, a pump. They call that a pour, but basically what that is, just an inflatable pool in a way where you can drive the boat. Let's go ahead and show you what you get. Okay, it comes with your pump, your tube, 2 balls, 1 little RC boat, manual, charging cable, pump, remote control. Now if you get a second one of these, then you can actually have 2 of these RC cars. Well, not RC cars, but RC boats, and you can play games against each other and so much more. Let's go ahead. You pop this open here to charge the boat. It's just USB charged. There's a screwdriver. Open this up to put some batteries in. The remote takes 3 AAA batteries. Now we just wait for enough water. Alright, so to get used to the controls will take a little bit of time. Yeah, there's different controls for different things, for turning and for going backwards. So you kind of have to just learn the controls and play along with the controls. But overall it's pretty cool. Again, it's all about control learning. So, I mean, it might take quite some time to learn it. And I think we need to adjust the trim here because it's turning to the left too much. So let's see. You can do that by adjusting the left and right. So it's still turning way too sharp one way. There we go. Now we're getting it more straight. And the deal is just learn. If you learn it, it's a lot of fun. There we go. We got it. We got it. There we go. We got it. Okay, we're going to go score. Oh, no. No, we're losing it. Come on. Come on. Here we go. Can we do it? Can we do it? Oh, no. But yeah, it's pretty cool.